Hey my guys, gals, and non-binary pals. Today I'm going to show you how to download Pixelmon using the Technic launcher. Now first, you have to download the Technic launcher. Go here, technicpack.net, download, and you just follow the instructions here. You pick whatever your CPU is, your operating system, your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. But I already have this here, so enough of that. This is my desktop. Right here, my desktop. Here's the Technic launcher. Start it up. It loads up right here. Here we go. And over here in mod packs, you see I have Pixelmon Reforged. You can add a pack by just searching it here. And then here's a lot of Pixelmon mod packs. Pixelmon Reforged is the one I personally use. This means that it's installed. You only need about 2 gigabytes of RAM to run it. It's really good. You can join the voice chat here to talk about Pixelmon, different servers, such like that. It has almost 1 million installs and 6.3 million runs. That means like you click play on it, you can play it right here. This is a launcher of Minecraft, a modded launcher. And yeah. I tried to upload a video of this before, but it ended up really bad quality, so here I am trying again. Well, that's about all I have for you guys, gals and non-binary pals today. Maybe I'll show you how to download a different mod some other time, but this is Pixelmon Reforged, and I've been Master Miner Time, and you've been amazing. See you, and have a good day, all my guys, gals, and non-binary pals.